iron rings. These are not. And then this is just used as a separator. But if you look at this, you'll see you've got a bunch of holes here. See all those holes? They're slots, actually, on this piston. Sometimes they're little drilled holes. And they're there, actually, so as this comes down and it wipes the oil off the cylinder and maintains that thin film of oil, that it all goes back in there and then down. So that's what those are for.
And that's all they are? Is this broken? Or is
No, that's supposed to be that way.
So we can get it on.
Well, what's critical here is the gap. So let me show you what that looks like.
All about ring gap, boys and girls.
Ring gap is everything.
Here we go. This is going to be one of them there learning moments.
So let's put this one back in here.
Put it in the hole, Sherman.
I'm working on it. Now these rings are going to have some wear on them, so it's going to be a pretty big gap. Let's do this. So what we want to do is we want to get it in the hole and even. There, now it's squared up in the hole. And that's your ring gap right there.
That's the gap?
That's the gap. And that is what we're looking at here is a pretty wide gap, actually. A brand new engine with about this size hole in it. $8,000 to $10,000.
Sounds about right.
Is for your second ring, and then your top ring can be a little bit more because the top ring gets hotter. And on a turbocharged engine, you'll run about 20,000. So this is over 20,000. So
same with the juice.
Yes.
The fun juice. Jeff's thinking of something.
I'm thinking of a lot of things.
I said fun juice, and he's like, "Oh."
Cross-referencing and going to...
Yep. Interesting.